Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use dumbbells for your at-home workouts and what to do if you don't have a bench. Let's go. Alright, let's start with the barbell, and I'm going to show you some of the most popular ways to use it and then how to use your dumbbells instead. We have the back squat, whether you're high bar squatting or low bar squatting, and also for front squats, you're going to be holding the dumbbells in a similar position. You can start off with one dumbbell and bring it on your upper back. Make sure it's not on your neck, and if you don't have the shoulder flexibility for this, that's okay. You can bring it to the front. It comes down to comfort with dumbbells. If you need extra weight, you can hold both weights up on the shoulder instead. If you're holding the barbell at the hip for either deadlifts or rows, so you can hold in the exact same way with palm facing the thighs, or if it's more comfortable, you can hold to the side of the body. For barbell chest press, you will hold the dumbbells in the exact same position. Or a barbell hip thrust, you can use one weight, or if you need both dumbbells, you can bring them more along the torso. Let's move on to kettlebells. So here are some of the most common positions for kettlebell exercises. Holding it at two hands for some swings, or single arm for some swings. You can hold along the metal for swings, single arm. If you'd rather hold the outside, you can do that as well. If you need more weight, you can bring two dumbbells together for the swing. For a goblet squat, holding the weight up, or any other exercise where you hold the weight up at the chin, or if you're holding the kettlebell for halos, you can either hold the outside of the dumbbell for your goblet squats or for the halos, but once again, it comes down to comfort, so you can hold the metal part if that's more comfortable for either the halo or any other exercise where you're starting in this position. If the kettlebell is overhead, same thing, it's a really easy switch. You'll be holding it regularly. All right, let's go over how to use dumbbells instead of a plate for the most common plate exercises, whether you're holding it up at the chest, overhead, down at the hips, or on the ground. So using a dumbbell instead, you can hold the outside of the dumbbells, but remember, whatever's most comfortable for you, to hold it up at the chest, overhead, to bring it down by the hips. Here it may be more comfortable to bring your hands in. And if you need more weight, you're welcome to divide up the hands and hold up at the shoulders, overhead, or down by the hips. And from the ground, you can hold one weight for chest moves, one weight for hip moves, or once again, you can add that second weight if you need it. Last but not least, holding a plank with a plate. To do it with the dumbbell, I put the dumbbell lengthwise on the back. All right, let's move on to a bench. One of the most common ways to use the bench is for the chest press or any other move laying down on the bench. Also, you may be using it as a step machine, or to hold your foot up behind you, or to hold your hands up for dips, or push-ups, or even to elevate in some sort of plank row movement, or just to hold your body up for one of my favorites, hip thrust. Without a bench, you can do all the exercises from the floor, or if you need that elevation, that's when you use a chair. Make sure it's against the wall so it doesn't move around. So you can do your leg moves with an elevation, your step-ups with an elevation, even using it to raise your body for push-ups or tricep dips. So plank rows. And there you have it. That's how you can use dumbbells to substitute lots of gym equipment for home workouts. Now go work out.